you can tell that this is a Plaid Cymru community, because Plaid Cymru voters and their councillors only think of themselves. They can't be bothered to get out and grip the road, because this is the thing about people who vote Plaid Cymru. They don't think about other people. And you can clearly see that from this village that I'm walking through now. It's been 3 days that it's been snowing, and not a single person in this community council has actually done anything to these roads. You can't drive on them. It's like an ice rink. The community councillors in this village have all got 4x4s, but they're all Plaid Cymru councillors. And as you can see, this is the result. This is what you get when you vote far left political parties like Plaid Cymru. The one reason why the Welsh language is dying is because too many communities use siarad Cymraeg and weaponise it. And they weaponise it, they make it insular. And it's this thing, we'll try and keep the language to ourselves, and will not help other people in the community. So in other words, it's probably likely that most people in this community have actually got 4x4s and they're Welsh speakers. But everybody else who hasn't got 4x4s, they don't give a stuff. And this is the end result. You can't even move on these roads. So if you vote Plaid Cymru on the 1st of May, this is what you're going to get. Communities upon communities of people who don't give a stuff about others. As long as you speak siarad Cymraeg, you'll be fine.